Hello ghouls and goblins. It's that time of year again, when the air turns crisp, and the leaves rustle in the chilly breeze. Halloween is just around the corner, and we've got fun and spooky ideas to make this year's celebration a night to remember. Let's dive into the Halloween festivities. Number 1. Costume Party. Our adventure begins with a costume party. Gather your friends and family, don your most creative costumes, and get ready for a night of laughter and fun. Number 2. Haunted House Visit. Prepare to be scared as we explore a local haunted house. Step into a world of eerie sights and sounds, where your heart races and your screams fill the air. Number 3. Pumpkin Carving. Get ready to unleash your inner artist in the pumpkin carving contest. Sharpen your carving tools and create the most spooktacular jack-o'-lantern that will light up your night. Number 4. Horror Movie Marathon. For those who prefer thrills on the screen, have a horror movie marathon. Stock up on popcorn, turn off the lights, and let the terrifying tales unfold on your screen. Number 5. Trick or Treating. Trick or treating isn't just for kids. Dress up, grab a bag, and join the adventure in collecting sweet treats from your neighbors. Halloween is all about indulging in some childhood nostalgia. Number 6. Halloween Baking. Unleash your culinary skills with Halloween baking. Create cookies, cupcakes, or a cake that's spooktacularly delicious. It's a treat for your taste buds and your creativity. Halloween is a time to let your imagination run wild. So, embrace the spookiness, create lasting memories, and have a happy Halloween.